Saturday, so the mall is packed as hell. So we came to the Northridge Mall, and we're starting with JD Sports. These are the 5s that just released today. Don't remember what pink, but one of the pink ones. They look alright. They look alright. Looks like they got 3M all up on the side, which is kind of cool. Oh shoot, the whole upper? The whole upper got? Holy cow, I didn't know the whole upper got 3M like that. That's fire. Hell yeah. Then of course we're gonna start off with the sales section. And yeah, I can't believe I never noticed. But the red I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of these at all now. Yeah, dude. Once you notice something, it's like hard to not notice anymore. Some Air Max 90s right here. Only one left apparently though. AEs down here. Plenty of sizes. What a solid price. Reebok Classic leathers right there. Cloud Monsters? This the Cloud Novas. Cloud Novas $20 off. Cortez right here on sale. And even the Diamond Turfs on sale now. Wow, haven't seen these on sale too often. Some Lows. 574s in multiple different colorways, all slightly on sale. Got some 2-3s right here. Got the section of Jordans right here. And yeah, these have gone down a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. $40 off retail. I think we're gonna see those go on sale soon. These have gone down even more now. $115 for the Rare Air Jordan 1s. $190 for the Mellow 12s right here. Got the Midnight Navies available still. Oh, these are still going down. That's what I'm talking about. $50. 8 to 13, still plenty of sizes. So yeah, definitely gonna have to grab those eventually. And then we're seeing the Air More of Tempos on sale as well now. Still got the Nocta Glides right here. Is that? Oh no, I was wondering if that's 3M. No, that's not 3M. Just that little piping right there. Got these in multiple colorways. $170 for these. Then we got the Luka 4s already on sale. Holy cow, these just came out the end of last basketball season, right? Wow. Not huge crazy discounts, but hey, that's a start. Do got the LeBron 22s. Of course, those are going to be on sale. 23s are out now. We've been seeing the AE 1s on sale everywhere since they've been releasing the AE 2s. Then the Reebok Solutions. These are like the stepkids of the Reebok collection. Nobody's a fan of these. Been seeing these at Ross and stuff like that. Oh man, that sucks. Grade school section. Didn't these just come out? The MB5s? Didn't these just come out? They were already on sale? What the heck? These totally look like they're for girls, by the way. Like, that's crazy. But I can't believe they're already on sale. We got Sven visiting from Europe who watches my channel. Thank you so much. That is so dope. Appreciate you, Sven. Went to like all the spots that I talk about in my videos. I was like, whoa, he found everything. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Went to Citadel, went to the Foot Locker outlet, went to the Nike clearance store, found all kinds of, well, he went to all the places. I don't know if he found much, but he's from a small town, kind of crazy. Be a sneakerhead from a small town. I know that ain't easy. I know damn well that ain't easy. Grade school stuff right here. Got a few things. That's chances of him just meeting me. That's just kind of crazy. More grade school stuff right here. Like decent sales, but like nothing crazy in the grade school right now, price-wise. Like these 2002 Rs. It is great if like your girl can wear these, or what are you, 5 women that do watch, if you guys could fit grade school, like some good prices. I was hoping to see the women's Jordans, but not seeing it here. Sven said he did find one of these. Obviously not this color, I think he found a men's. But yeah, he did get one of these Vomeros, or did he say the Vomero Plus? But yeah, he did get one of the Vomeros. I like these, I do like these, and I have heard people tell me there is a big difference between the Vomero and the Vomero Pluses, but I'll get my hands on one when I can find one on sale eventually. Sven from Europe, definitely appreciate you watching and supporting, and thanks to all of you guys that do watch from different parts of the country. This is where my kiddo is. This is why we came to the mall. A teenage kiddo, finally he wants to go to the mall. Kind of crazy, but because yeah, he's been saying no for the last 15 years. But yeah, he's been into these lately. He's been into anime stuff, so yeah, he wants some t-shirts. Ended up grabbing 4 t-shirts, anime t-shirts. They call it hot cash. What the hell? Oh, okay. So apparently we spent a certain amount. so we get $15 off, 30 or more, so 50% off later. Oh, that's kind of cool, I guess. But literally, look at the dates. We have to use it within that time, and most of the times, people forget. That's why they do that. All right, cool. Got one of these here too. On the sales, I think I got some full forces, $40 for full forces, not bad at all. Outlet-like prices, $80 for a couple of the 90s, 60s right here. 550s. Is this a women's? Women's 550. It's at grade school. Another 90, 60 right here, go for cheap. This is definitely a grade school. Some glisterns right there. Nothing too crazy. I don't know what the hell these are. Pickleball shoe? Prince? Pickleball shoe? What the hell? The hell? Starting to see the Puma LaFrance shoe on sale at certain places. $80 for these bad boys right here. That is the only one on sale though. Surprisingly, I thought more of them would be on sale. Here's the 5s that just released today, and we did see that the entire upper does have 3M, which is kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, kind of cool. Don't really wear pink like that, but yeah, that is kind of cool. I'm like, I don't know, I'm a sucker for 3M. I'm not gonna lie, dude. But yeah, what they going for? 215, 220, 215 is the price. Retros nowadays, it looks like. Yeah, this is 215 as well for the black tongue fire red 5s. Looks like everybody got the Rare Air on sale now. Oh, I never noticed these have 3M on them as well. That actually looks pretty dope late at night. You got basketball shorts right here, $13. This is CSG brand, Champ Sports Gear brand. They do use some good stuff. Decent materials. I was looking for the 70% off. Could not find the 70% off rack. You got these, look at these. South Park Crocs. Got an Eric Hartman one right here, Kenny one right here, and then one with all 4 kids. That is hilarious, dude. Man, I remember when South Park just came out. I think it was when I was a freshman in college, or was that high school? I don't know. But I remember when it first came out, it was like the craziest thing. But yeah, I don't see a price on them though. I feel like I haven't been to the Chic in a minute. Is that K-Swiss? They coming back? They coming back? Remember them in high school. 25% off. Shoes had already marked down. Oh, hell yeah. I was talking to one of the people here. They said the sale never ended. What? The sales kept going on for months? I didn't know that. Nobody else has signs up. God dang it. And I'm coming right here because I saw this right here. Look at this. The Vomero 18. The Vomero Plus? Really? The Vomero Plus, they got these on sale. So that means another 20% off? Holy crap. Holy cow, this is the lowest we've seen these out and about. Oh my goodness, I freaking love these too. Do I need to pull the trigger? I know I should be patient because I still have my other shoes. I still have my New Balance. I haven't even worn the what are they called? The Fresh Foam Moors. I haven't even worn them yet, but holy cow, this gets them close to $100. Really? Really? Yeah, these definitely feel like my Fresh Foam Moors. Oh my goodness, these are so freaking comfortable. This is size 9 and my foot's like cramped as hell in here, but I just wanted to see how the cushioning feels. These are so amazing. Oh my goodness. Almost exactly like my Fresh Foam Moors, I'm not gonna lie.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Yeah, these are amazing. That's the first time I've tried them on, I think. I don't think I've tried the pluses on. I need to try these right next to the regular Vomero, so. Yeah, that's definitely the best part. Man, this is why I love Chic, dude. Holy crap. Holy crap, I can't believe I found them for this price. When it says plus right there, I didn't notice that. Holy crap. Damn, I want to grab these. I do. I want to grab them, but I'll be patient. Dang it. That includes all these Vomeros right here. Look at this. Look at this one right here. Does that mean this drops down to $60? Really?
You got the size of these, boy?
I really like these. Really like these. Damn, dude, that's fire. These also, I'm not the biggest fan of this. these as well. I'm not the biggest fan of this colorway though. Got a few different shocks on sale. Starting to like the prices, man. Starting to like the prices. Air Max 90s. I've never seen this one. This one just came out. Never seen this one. I saw they came out with the Niners colorway recently too. Need to get my hands on that one eventually. I've never seen these dunks either. So they're coming out with a lot of new stuff. That's why stuff's going on sale, because they need to make room for all this new stuff right here. Oh, that's interesting. Then they got these dunks right here. These kind of look like the undefeated dunks. The undefeated dunks kind of look like undefeated one has a few different materials, but the suede one, I kind of like it. I don't like the round laces though, but I kind of like these. $120 for these. I kind of like them. I do. And all kinds of other dunks right here. Okay. Got the Air Max up tempos on sale, but not my favorite. Air More up tempos right here. God dang it. These are the lows. I think they must have gotten a restock, because I don't remember seeing both of these colorways here a while back, but I'm gonna have to grab these eventually. Air More up tempos, pretty much my favorite silhouette of all time. And that makes these the cheapest one we've ever seen, or the best deal on these ever, because 25 off on top of that, man. That's like another what, 40 bucks off? Holy cow. It's actually $42.50 off. Wow, that drops that down big time. That means these go under 50, as well as these right here. These are under 50 as well. Holy cow. I can't believe these are still here. What the hell are these still doing here from a year and a half ago? Y'all just hurry up and buy those so I don't see those here anymore. But yeah, I do got a few Jordan 1s on sale. Remember, 25 off of these prices. Still got a pair of Barons right here too, which is kind of crazy. Those of you guys that are new to Jordan collecting, Barons, that's the 888, or is it AA or AAA? It's a minor league team that Jordan was on when he did retire for a quick minute. Oh, hell no, that did not just happen. I just touched this and the whole shelf came off. What the hell? I spent like 2 minutes putting the shelf back together. I have no clue why, but I do not like the people here. They're usually pretty nice, so I don't want to mess up their stuff. So as I was saying, dude, got the Concord lows right here, $80 freaking. This is a bigger size. I doubt they have my size. That is size 12 on display. And they got the OG lows right here on sale, as well as these SCs right here with the amazing material on them. It's not the easiest to match though. Now what is this? I've never seen this one. Wacky colors, but kind of interesting. What is this? Dia de los Muertos type of thing or something? 3/4, no exception. Huh? I'm trying to read what it says. Okay, I don't know what it says, but it says something in Spanish. Okay. But as I've been saying, they have been the most aggressive with their reductions, their price reductions, their sales. They got the women's section over here. They still got Air Forces on sale for the women. And if your kiddos can wear these, you know, because I grabbed the size. What size did I get them? I don't know. I grabbed the men's size 8.5, I think. Men's size 8.5, which is a size 11? Size 10. 8.5, size 10 women's. I did grab one and they fit him. He's been wearing that. I asked if he needed another one. He said he's good. And they got, I'm telling you, they got him. They got the black one. I got him one of those. I got one of these. Cheaper than the outlets. I swear they're cheaper than the outlets. You don't even see those on sale at the outlets. These denim ones right here on sale for $90. Remember? 25 off on top. And then don't forget, if you do buy a pair of shoes or something here, get like one of these for $10. Like any of the women's fashion stuff right here, $10. If you need your Dodger Crocs, grab those. 50, you get 20 off on top. Regular Crocs, Nightmare Before Christmas Crocs right here on sale. Definitely worth the stop, y'all. Definitely worth the stop. Definitely a fan of this spot for sure. Dude got a Foot Locker. Was it a Ballin' on a Budget? I saw someone grab stuff for hella cheap at Foot Locker, but I I haven't been experiencing that. I've not seen it. Checking out some of the prices. Nothing crazy. Got Ultra Boost right here for $130. Not seeing nothing too crazy, to be really honest. In their last chance section, you got the Kai Speeds on sale because the Kai 2s are coming out, right? I'm assuming they'll come out with the second version of the Kai Speeds as well. Got his casual line on sale as well. These normally go for $125, so slight sale on these. We got the LeBron 23s here. Just saw these for the first time yesterday. Full price for Vomero Pluses? What? Huh? Why would I pay full price? Really? I do love this, but still, full price? And there's a Borders right here. Definitely worth a stop, but I think I'm gonna make this my last store. I need to go grab some dinner. Cave Stone Jordan 4s still available at, I think, most of the stores I went to. How do you guys feel about these? I haven't really seen people talk about these bad boys. I guess I haven't seen people talk about too many Jordans at all lately. I saw these a few days ago. This is the first time I'm seeing these today. We got the Jordan 3 right here. They're okay. I don't know if this, the wave thing, I don't know, kind of does it for me. Also this back here, I haven't done all the research to see what all this represents, but it's kind of interesting. Oh, this is just like a protective thing, huh? Oh, okay, I was tripping. $230 for those. These all black ones here, pretty clean for what they are. $60. I see my kiddo wearing something like that. $80 for those. I'll show you all these because not all of you guys have a Chic right next door. All kinds of Jordans on sale right now. They still got some Hokas on sale right here, including these Clifton 9s, $120 for the Clifton 9s. The Clifton 10s are the newest ones. And I think there are some big changes, but yeah, $120, not bad. Still got some Bondi 8s here as well. Bondi 9s. These are the Cliftons right here. These go for $155. These are the Bondis, $175 now. They've gone up in price like crazy, so these aren't as comfortable as those, but they're $65 less. Still got the Air Max Uptempo, aka Uptempo 95s right here. The Lakers colorway still readily available, and I would grab these, but man, my feet just they don't work, man. These do not work with White Feet Gang. 4 different foam posits. Where did they ever see that many foam posits? When did this one come out? I don't remember when this one came out. I remember the fake carbon fiber ones. And they are going for what, $240 still? $240. Oh, so it's 3 different colorways they got me. What are these Air Maxes? These don't look bad. Air Max TLs. Does have the full-length Air Max unit. I freaking love the full-length Air Max unit, but that bubble always starts to yellow and starts to discolor and stuff. That part I did not like. $190 for those. And this is all their Nikes on sale. Got some pretty decent stuff, including the Calm Slides go for $30. I like this colorway. The Vomeros go for $100. Got some Air Forces, Air Max 90s. LeBrons, what they go for? $120, $125, $60 for these bad boys right here. So $10 cheaper at JD right now. Good to know. Alright, guys, solid prices, but remember, don't put stuff on your credit cards. Do not go into debt over sneakers. So I have not been buying this much stuff because I'm kind of broke right now. So yeah, don't get in debt, you guys. Don't get in debt for sneakers. Alright, got plenty coming. Gonna hit up more spots on the weekend. See you on the next one. Oh yeah, this fool's anime stuff. Spent $200 on his anime stuff last couple days. So yeah, definitely can't afford sneakers after that. Alright, we out, man. We out.